Good morning, everyone, respected jury members and audience present in the meeting. I am Shreya Singh from Class 8th. Today's topic for debate is Technology has made us lonely. I am going to speak in favor of this topic. Yes, technology of late has made us so dependent on social media connections that we are drifting away from our real life connections. We can't think of a life without technology. It has made our life so comfortable that we can talk to people who are miles away. We can pay our bills and do banking, shopping, etc. through internet. But this use of technology has alienated us from our friends, relatives, and well wishers. There is hardly any face to face interaction with our friends and relatives. People in 21st century have really become alone. We have so many new ways of communicating, yet we are so alone. A few years back, the favorite pastime of people was to visit their friends and relatives, spend time with them, and share their feelings. But now, we prefer to text or use smartphones to talk to people. We don't have any time to visit our friends so often and celebrate our festive occasions with them anymore. It has made us lonely. Depression is the next threat to our health. Even when members of our family sit together, they sit glued to their mobiles and TV set instead of talking to each other. Because of obsession with gadgets, all our spare time is spent with the gadgets. We don't have any leisure time to give it to our old parents, children, and other members of our family. Research has shown that people who have lots of friends tend to be happier and healthier than people who don't have many friends in real life. The emotional bond that we develop as a result of going out together, sitting, chatting, and spending time together is not developed by gadget watchers. Technology negatively influences our social interaction. It makes people socially awkward and lonely. In fact, excessive obsession with gadgets may impact our capacity to connect with people. An electronic game can never be a substitute for a child participating in an actual football game in the field. However, we cannot do away with technology. Technology has to be used as a servant and should not become our master. I conclude by saying it's your decision if you want to see the world through a screen or your own eyes. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, respected jury members and audience present in the meeting. I am Sania Khan from Class 8th. Today's topic for debate is Technology has made our lives lonely, and I am going to speak against this topic. I think that technology helps people feel less lonely. Technology helps reach people information, like some people are often aware of the services provided to them. Social media is an effective tool for sharing information and targeting specific topics. Technology also brings people together. Especially in this pandemic, people would not be able to connect with their loved ones. But because of the blessing of technology, people are connecting with each other through video calls and all. This makes people feel less lonely as they are continuously connected with their loved ones. For telecommunication to traveling, everything needs technology. Thus, we can say that technology has made our lives easy and indeed brought us all together. Yes, according to me, it's not the fault of technology. It's our fault that we are not able to control ourselves. It depends on the person how he or she uses technology. According to me, technology is always a blessing for us. Thank you.